Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect a domain to IONOS hosting. Connecting a domain to hosting is what actually makes your website visible on the internet. Without this step, your domain is just a name and your hosting is just storage. They need to be linked. You're linking two things: a domain, which is your website name, and a hosting where your website files live. Connecting them means visitors can access your site. First, go to your account and sign in. Then, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the dashboard, look for Connect Domain. You can also find this option when you go to Products and under Domains and SSL. This is where IONOS links your domain to your hosting service. Type your domain into the search box. Once results load, choose your domain. Then tap Add to Cart. Even if you already own the domain, this step is about assigning it to hosting. Proceed through the checkout steps. You may see extra options and add-ons, so if not needed, click Continue. These extras increase cost but aren't required to connect your domain. Check the details, then finalize the process. After purchase, go to Domains and SSL. Find your domain and click Connect. IONOS links your domain to your hosting. You'll see your domain has successfully connected. What you just did: you selected your domain, assigned it to hosting, completed connection, and activated your website access. Your domain now points to your hosting. To summarize, connecting a domain to IONOS hosting involves logging in, selecting the Connect Domain option, searching for your domain, adding it to your setup, skipping unnecessary add-ons, completing the process, and finally clicking Connect to link it to your hosting. This makes your website accessible online. And that's how to connect a domain to IONOS hosting. This step is what turns your project into a real, accessible website. Take your time, double-check everything, and don't rush through the setup. Because once your domain is connected, you've officially gone live. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.